Here's a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com states, powerful, comfortable, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a prime choice for a full-size pickup. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.